What's good mga brodies? Big bike gaming tayo for today. Tayo ay magtatrabaho. So may team meeting kami, mga workmates ko. We are meeting up in Santa Rosa sa Meet and Brew. Sana nga lang hindi umulan. Anyways, I think it would be best if Skyway Gaming tayo para mabilis tayo makarating. It is currently 10:30 in the morning. So, I think nag-subside ng rush hour traffic. Dala natin ang mga work equipment natin, laptop, and what have you. Okay, let's go. We have 500, 95. Yo, mga bro, this what I love about my job. Like moments like this na kapag Friday, minsan may pa-meeting, we'll eat out, we'll collaborate, meet up, share some ideas, and work together. All for a common goal. The best feeling ever. As in. Hey mga brodies, what do you guys like about what you do? I'm pretty sure you guys love what you're doing then. It's not perfect, I'm pretty sure, but it's something, diba? Comment down below what do you guys like or love about your job or what you do for a living, right? I'd love to hear it. Lapit na tayo sa Quezon Ave, mas makakakit na tayo ng Skyway. Weather, may konting haze, konting overcast. Napusa pa tayo, medyo mahaba-haba pang biyahe natin. Kasi traveling from QC to Santa Rosa. Looking forward to lunch. Di tayo nagbe-breakfast eh. If you guys have the time, punta kayo sa Meet and Brew sa Santa Rosa. I'll put something here. Sobrang sarap. They have this dish eh. Favorite ko siya. It's a grilled salad. Sobrang weird niya pakinggan nung umpisa. Pero once you try it, excited for that. Ay. Ay, sa wakas mga brodies, nakatungtong na tayo ng Skyway. Medyo sa Quezon Ave, medyo intense. Siyempre, medyo mas malaki-laki yung dala natin. Hirap makasingit. Kakatakot ma-overheat eh. So, kapag na-stuck ka sa gridlock, wala pa. Hinto-hinto ka muna, patay-patay makina. Para lang safe. Sana mabasa RFID ko. Yes, thank you so much. Let's go. Medyo makulimlim na. Pero, parang okay naman. At least, malamig ang hangin. Ganito ang POV ng BMW R90 Pure. Very basic stuff lang. I always like to keep it sa temperature para lang makita ko kung malapit-lapit na ba tayo. Syempre, iwas overheat, di ba? So, yeah, setup for nakikita niyo yung POV kanina, nakamount lang yan dito. I used to have yung bar and mirrors kaso binalik ko sa stock kasi hirap to traverse through traffic eh, na naka-bar and mirrors eh. And of course, cellphone natin, naka-quad lock dito for your navigation needs. And yeah, simple as that. Let's just enjoy the ride. Yeah. East through Skyway. Steady lang tayo sa speed limit. Tanong ko lang sa inyo mga brodies, kayo ba nalilito na sa Skyway? Yung 60, tapos mag-80, tapos XC60, tapos paglabas, pagdating mo sa may Buendia, pwede na 100. Parang ang labo eh. So, if I can just say, ang sarap ng hangin ngayon. Like, for me, ito yung perfect, like, weather to ride. Like, it's not too sunny, diba? Lamig pa yung hangin, diba? Only hassle lang is there is that impending doom na baka umulan. Pero, mindset lang, mindset. And, positive lang tayo.
A few moments later.
Alright, mga brodies, tayo nasa SLEX na. Ganda ng weather. Reason why I keep mentioning the weather kasi these past few weeks sobrang lala ng ulan, bagyo, habagat, what have you. Grabe. It's so nice na makapag-ride. Ang tagal ko na rin di nailabas to. Sobrang happy ko. There was this one Monday last week na dapat mag-ride kami ni Dad. Handa na ako and everything. Nakapag-leave na ako sa work. Tapos biglang bumagyo. Sobrang bad trip. Ayun. Tapos na nandiyan na tayo So ending, nag-lunch na lang kami. Ay, teka. Tigil nga tayo gas station. Gusto ko na mag-shades. Medyo masakit na sa mata Alright, kapag-shades na tayo. If you can perform, perform. Alright, back on the road. Kaya, para makarating tayo sa Meet and Brew, again, plug natin dito. Exit tayo ng... saan kaya tayo pwede umi-exit? Exit tayo pa Calax. Yes. Para mas madali-dali. Para ma-enjoy din natin yung ride natin. Para hindi masyado hassle. Di ba? Kasi, pag dumaan tayo sa backdoor ng Eton, hihingihan ako ng sticker doon. Hindi naman tayo nakakotse. Hassle lang. Diba? Relax na lang tayo. Para sure. At eto na. Umaambon na. No! Bilisan na lang natin ang konti. Antay ka mote content. Experience yun na. Parang nakikipagkarera kayo sa ulan. Yung ulan nasa likuran ninyo at slowing in papunta sa inyo. Yan ang nararamdaman ko ngayon. Dito muna tayo sa POV. Kung mamaya pag nilipat ko dito sa harap yung camera, baka ma-LTO pa tayo. May ebidensya pa kayo sa mga kalokohan ko. Palubak na. Diba? Sa tindi ng alog, pati kayo ng alog. Palubak na.
One eternity later.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Ate, ba't di gumana? Nasa jacket ko. Part. And now, off to Calax. Prado. Ganda ng Prado, sobra. Oh, by the way guys, makes yung attention span ko So, time to time, mag-shift tayo. Grabe, ganda talaga no. Okay na yan, boss! Pwede nang pagtsagaan, sir!
Nice.
Sit na tayo dito. Ito na po, ladies and gentlemen, ang Meet and Brew. Yep. So itong second floor na to, gagawa sila na parang facility na pwede mag-cold bath and what have you. Tapos may cigar bar sa taas. Kita kayo dito, as in, great food. Hello! Hey, Peaches? Just si Peaches. Okay. Thank you. Hi, Ryan. How are you?
2,000 years later.
Alright, mga brodies! Dalaw muna tayo kay Dad. Bago tayo umuwi. So my dad kasi is from Santa Rosa dito siya nakatira. Wahiwalay na kasi kami, as adults. So dalawin natin si Dad. Let's just pop by and say hey. Tao po. Leave it there. Okay. How are you? Get my phone.
A few moments later.
Bye, Dad. Alright, mga brodies. Tapos na tayo bumisita kay Dad. Sorry mga brodies pero yung mga ganyang instances, di ako mahilig i-document yun kasi medyo private na yan. Oo. But don't get me wrong. Tawag doon, there'll come a place and time for that naman na i-share ko sa inyo, father ko. So, actually, father ko, isang malaking inspiration yan sa buhay ko. As cliche as it sounds, he is the person who molded the person that I am today. As any father would naman. So, ayun. Tayo ngayon ay pauwi na. So, from Santa Rosa to QC, probably take me an hour. Wala naman traffic. Tapos all highway naman tayo. So, should be fairly easy naman. Alright, nasa Calax na tayo ngayon on our way home. Nakakamiss seeing that. Bira na kasi kami magkita kasi syempre bukod na and everything. But yeah, it's always a good time seeing my father. So, ang dad ko, siya ang dahilan kung bakit ako nag-ride by influence. So, my father has been riding, I'd like to say, for like over 45 years now already. Started riding when he was 14 years old. Pero yun, tatay ko, grabe mag-ride. As in, hardcore. Hardcore sa endurance, hardcore sa bilis. Basta sa lahat, intense. Share ko lang, we finished the Ironman Challenge, the Boss Ironman Challenge, 7 times. And his fastest time was 19 hours. Ganun ka-wild. Well, if anybody from the motorcycle scene is watching this, palayo niya sa pag-ride. Siyempre, parang call sign niya is Frenchie. Grabe yan. Si Lolo Frenchie, intense yan. And he's ridden all sorts of bikes. I think through all of the propagation ng motorcycle sa pagdaanan niya. And he's super chill. Lap trip pa. He supported me in so many ways unimaginable. Dad, if you're watching this, as cliche as it sounds, you're my hero. Wow! I love you. Shit nga pala. Wala palang load. Walang load ang RFID natin at hirap ako mag-load. So yeah, di ako nakapag-load ng RFID. Sinusubo ko kanina sa Gcash, pero ayaw. Hassle! Ayun, so kanina bago umalis nagandahan na ako ng 50 pesos pambayad sa toll. Sorry ate. Hey, palalis na tayo ng Calax. Let's go. Grabe mga brodies. Ang daming debris sa daan. And kita nyo nga, kanina naka-open face na helmet ako. It's all coming at me right now. Kinda regret that. So, I think I will find a spot kung saan ako pwedeng tumabi. Susot ako ng glasses. Kasi napupuwing na ako. Medyo malala. Okay, nakapaghinto na tayo. Suot tayo ng salamin. Sorry po, nagsuot lang ng salamin. Thank you. Nalapitan na tayo ng security dito eh. Suot lang tayo ng salamin. Ito nakain yung debris sa mata. That wraps up my entire day. Kung araw tayo nasa labas. Sige na naman, maaga na tapos sa work. So she did her stuff, her girl things. Sige, right now she's at home waiting for me. Happy din ako na nailabas din natin yung R90. Again, I told you guys, sa pilot episode na mas madalas talaga Vespa content. Pero from time to time, I do take this out. Right? We got this far. Again, thanks so much. Right lang ako pa uwi, focus lang ako pa uwi kasi there's not much to show eh. Kasi nasa Skyway lang naman tayo. Hindi naman tayo pwede kumataw dito. Again, anti-kamote content. So, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. See you on the next video, mga brodies. Peace!